Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to improve your Wi-Fi speed in 2026. So, if your internet feels slow while browsing, streaming, or gaming, you know, these simple tweaks can help you get faster performance. First, restart your router. Yeah, unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary issues and often improves speed instantly. Next, place your router in a central, elevated spot in your home. Avoid corners, floors, and cabinets because they weaken the signal. Now, disconnect devices you're not using. Too many active devices can slow down your Wi Fi speed for everyone. If your router supports dual band, connect to the 5 gigahertz Wi Fi network. Yeah, it usually delivers faster speeds at close range. Next, log into your router settings and change the Wi Fi channel. Crowded channels from nearby networks can reduce your speed. Finally, check for router firmware updates. I mean, Updates fix bugs and can improve overall Wi Fi performance, and that's it. These steps should noticeably improve your Wi Fi speed. Yeah, smoother browsing, faster downloads, and better streaming. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.